Auditing has always been about trust, but that trust is harder to earn when the data never stops flowing. In 2025, audit teams are using AI to move faster, dig deeper, and uncover risks they used to miss. This isn't the end of auditing, it's the beginning of a smarter one. Welcome back to SkillSync AI, where we explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping jobs across industries. Today's focus: auditing, a role where accuracy is critical, time is tight, and risk is always around the corner. Whether you're a financial auditor, internal auditor, or risk professional, AI is changing how you do your job. In this episode, we'll cover what parts of the audit process are now automated, what tools top audit teams are using in 2025, what new skills auditors need, and how AI is making audits more continuous, more targeted, and more powerful. Let's dive in. Where AI fits in the audit workflow: AI is now used across the entire audit lifecycle. Here's how. 1. Risk assessment and planning. AI tools ingest past audit reports, internal data, and external trends. They identify high-risk accounts, transactions, or regions to prioritize. Think smarter sampling from the start. 2. Data extraction and reconciliation. NLP models scan contracts, invoices, and ledger entries. AI reconciles entries against policies and flags anomalies. This reduces manual review time by up to 60%. 3. Journal entry testing. Machine learning scores transactions for risk likelihood. AI surfaces irregular entries based on volume, timing, or deviation from historical behavior. 4. Control testing. Robotic process automation (RPA) checks whether processes are being followed. AI flags control exceptions in real time. 5. Reporting and drafting. AI-generated draft findings, visual risk maps, and recommended next steps. Final report equals human plus machine collaboration. Tools leading the AI audit revolution. Here are the platforms top audit teams are using in 2025. Tool, platform, MindBridge AI. What it does: risk scored journal entry testing, continuous audits. Teammate plus AI, end-to-end audit workflow with anomaly detection. Caseware Cloud AI, automated working papers, risk alerts. Validus, data ingestion from accounting systems, cleans and maps. Audit Board, real-time risk management, integrated compliance. True Era, model explainability and bias detection for AI auditing tools. Most of these tools integrate directly with ERP systems, so you're not starting from scratch. From periodic to continuous auditing, one of the biggest changes AI brings is continuous auditing. Instead of waiting for quarter end, AI allows teams to monitor transactions in real time, flag issues the moment they occur, adjust risk scores dynamically. This means less reactive cleanup and more proactive assurance. Example: an internal auditor at a multinational firm uses AI to detect duplicate vendor payments, weeks before a manual review would have caught it. What auditors now focus on with AI handling routine checks: auditors in 2025 are shifting toward 1. Judgment and professional skepticism. AI surfaces the risks, auditors decide which ones matter and how to act. 2. Control framework design. Auditors help shape AI logic, which rules to monitor, which thresholds trigger alerts. The better the auditor understands the business, the better the AI performs. 3. AI oversight. Auditors are now also monitoring the AI itself. Is it accurate? Is it biased? Can we explain how it reached a decision? 4. Stakeholder communication. Human auditors remain essential for explaining findings to executives, interpreting nuance, maintaining trust in the process. What skills auditors need in 2025? The top audit teams now blend accounting with analytics. Key skills include data literacy, ability to read and interpret dashboards and AI outputs, the AI tool fluency, knowing how to query tools like MindBridge or Power BI, critical thinking, judgment to assess whether an alert is real or noise, regulatory awareness, understanding audit standards in an AI-powered world, communication, explaining tech-enhanced findings in plain English. Soft skills matter more than ever, because AI doesn't replace influence and trust. Real benefits for audit teams. AI is helping auditors: 1. Save time, less manual sampling, faster report generation. 2. Cover more ground. Auditors can now review 100% of transactions, not just a sample. 3. Reduce risk. Anomalies are flagged before they become problems. 4. Increase trust with regulators. AI audit trails show every decision point and exception. 5. Boost morale. More time for strategic work equals less burnout. Where to be cautious. Even the best audit AI needs human guidance. Watch for over-reliance on automation. Not all risk can be modeled. Bias in risk scoring. Models trained on historical patterns can reinforce blind spots. Explainability gaps. If you can't trace why something was flagged, it may not hold up. Regulatory lag. Standards are still catching up to AI-powered auditing. The solution: pair every smart tool with a smarter human. Auditing isn't going away, it's getting sharper. With AI, today's auditors can move from chasing data to analyzing risk in real time. But it takes more than automation. It takes judgment, integrity, and the skills to steer the tools, not just run them. Subscribe to SkillSync AI for clear, role-specific breakdowns of how AI is reshaping jobs like yours. Drop a comment. What audit task would you love to automate, and which one should always stay human? And tomorrow, we'll explore a sensitive space: AI and fraud prevention. How far is too far, and when does AI become surveillance?